Hi everyone, I thought I'd share with you how I'm getting rid of the caterpillars or woolworms that are starting to attack my trees. We had rain for several days, so I went out in the garden, walked out there 2 days ago and saw the leaves gone on my redbud tree I'd planted. And I thought, well, surely that tree ain't dying. And I got to look at the branches. Branches were fine, and found them worms on them, eating leaves off, and found a nest. So I went and got this Neem Max, Captain Jack's by Bonide, and it is for other insects like spider mites and woolworms, weevils, caterpillars. It's got a list in there. It tells you how to mix it. This 16-ounce bottle makes up to 20 gallons. It's a 4-in-1 insecticide. Something was eating on my sweet potato vines here, so I sprayed those too and a few other plants. When it starts getting late summer, early fall, you'll start to notice more insect activity because they're getting ready to, some of them are getting ready to, to burrow in the ground and turn into them white worms you find in the ground all the time, them we call grubs. But this has worked pretty good. I haven't spotted any more of them on the trees, and thought I'd share that with you. I'm going to get out here and spray it here in a minute. You do need to spray before the sun hits your trees. You give it time to dry and before the other insects come out, because you don't want it hurting any bees that are still around in your yard. We've all gotten into protecting the honeybees. And this was the first year, normally every year we see like 1 or 2 honeybees. So I've planted some crepe myrtles, and this year the bees showed up, the honeybees. They showed up in my yard, so one way to attract those honeybees is put those crepe myrtle trees out. I'm going to shape mine up more this year. I probably won't do it till next spring. I want to give it more of a tree shape than a shrub shape. But I thought I'd share this with you and give it a try. Get rid of those caterpillars. If you show up on your trees, when you're driving down the road, you see those cobweb nests or silk bags on the trees. And that's those caterpillars eating leaves off them trees this time of year. So watch your young trees, especially like the young trees. These are also good for your fruit trees, and what's safe for your fruit trees, nuts, your vegetable garden. So I thought I would recommend this to you. It is for organic gardening. I'm trying to get more into organic gardening than using stuff that's harmful for the earth and for us. This is for, it also says for indoor and outdoor use. Kills the eggs, larvae, and adult insects. Prevents and controls limited major diseases. So I'm not sure which ones they are, but it's good to control chewing and sucking insects. So go out and check your trees, see if you need to spray them. You can try, if you see the nest and it's not, it's high enough for you to take a stick, you can get out there and knock it out of your tree. If they fall on the ground and you crush them with your foot. If you have a major nest, if you have a big nest on there, you want to get something to spray them. You want to spray them early in the morning. 2 reasons. You want them to be in the nest. And second reason, you want the stuff to dry before the bees come out. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'm going to get busy and get these sprayed. We'll see you in a little while. So I got my trees sprayed. I did spray these here vines earlier, and it's already drying on them, which is good. Because these sweet potato vines have done really well. They've just got 1 plant in each pot, and they have little pink blooms on them. They're really pretty. So that attracts the bees in. So I wanted to make sure I got that done first thing so they would dry and the bees would be safe. One thing I wanted to add is, this does say keep out of reach of children. So like with any insecticide, any poison, even though it is organic, keep it locked up. Y'all stay safe. Thanks for watching. God bless.